Hello friends, hope you all are fine during this lockdown period. In my last video, we have discussed about blood, composition of blood and blood vessels. And today we are going to discuss a new topic. I'll not tell you the name of that, I'll give you a hint or I'll ask you to do an activity. All of you keep your hands at the center of your chest cavity. Can you hear a sound? Yes, I can hear. From where this sound is coming? Yes, it's coming from heart, our heart. Let us see what is there in our heart. Heart of all MCKVians. Yes, it's India and MCKV. Always try to inculcate nation pride and school pride in your heart, because nation gives you identity on this earth and school taught you humanity to lead a life of a human. Oh, this is not a moral science class, I know, but when we are talking about heart, we cannot ignore these moral values. Come back to biology class now. We have to study the detailed structure of the heart. Yes, heart. It has 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called right auricle and left ventricle. And these are separated from each other by a muscular septum. Lower chambers are right ventricle and left ventricle. They are also separated from each other by a muscular septum. Can you see? I have used blue color for writing right auricle and right ventricle, and red color for writing left auricle and left ventricle. Yes, there is a significance of these 2 colors. Right auricle and right ventricle gets deoxygenated blood. That's why blue color. Left auricle and left ventricle gets oxygenated blood, pure blood, so red color. And valve prevents backflow of blood. What is backflow of blood and what is the function of these valves? And what is the direction of flow of blood in heart? Let us study in detail. Yes, heart and its structure. Fist size muscular organ in thoracic cavity, means chest cavity, and we have just seen, no, it was just equivalent to the size of our fist. It has 4 chambers and it has valve to prevent backflow. Let us study this structure of heart in detail. It is more or less triangular in shape, double membrane. It has 2 membranes surrounded by 2 membranes. And this is superior vena cava and this one is inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava brings impure blood or deoxygenated blood from all the parts of the body located above heart, like your eyes, ears, nose, face, neck, etc. And inferior vena cava brings impure blood from the parts of the body located below heart, like your legs, your kidney, your stomach, etc. and put this impure blood into right auricle. There are 4 chambers of heart: right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. And these right auricle and left auricle are separated by a muscular septum. And here you can see the septum. Right ventricle and left ventricle are separated by means of a muscular septum. Then right auricle contracts and empties its blood into right ventricle. This is the valve. Once the right auricle is completely empty, then this valve gets closed to prevent the backflow of blood from right ventricle to right auricle. Then ventricle contracts and empties its blood and pour its blood or force its blood to pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries this blood to lungs, and pulmonary artery is the single artery which carries deoxygenated blood. In the lungs, exchange of gases take place, means impure blood, from impure blood carbon dioxide goes into lungs, and from lungs oxygen comes to the blood and combines with hemoglobin and forms oxyhemoglobin. In this way, blood is purified and pure blood is brought back to left auricle by means of pulmonary vein. Left auricle contracts and force its blood into left ventricle. Again, valve closed and prevent the backflow. Left ventricle contracts and force its pure blood into this aorta. This aorta is the largest blood vessel, largest artery, and it breaks into many smaller arteries to distribute blood all over the world. This is the flow of blood in heart. Let us see one flow chart to understand it in better way. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood to right auricle. From right auricle it goes to right ventricle. Then through pulmonary artery it goes to lungs. And then from lungs, pulmonary vein bring the pure blood to left auricle. Then to left ventricle, then to aorta, and then it goes to the rest part of the body. Heart is also known as double pump because first pump takes the impure blood or deoxygenated blood to lungs. There where purification is done. Then second pump brings the pure blood or oxygenated blood to the heart pack. That's why it is known as double pump. And this circulation is known as double circulation of blood. Next is heartbeat. When you kept your hand at the center of the chest cavity, you have heard the heartbeat. What is heartbeat? It is rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart chambers. Contraction of heart is called systole and relaxation of heart is called diastole. And one systole and one diastole makes one heartbeat. In normal condition, heart beats 72 times per minute. This is a stethoscope which helps in measuring the heartbeat or listening the heartbeat. You have seen many doctors using it. Pulse. What is pulse? Regular jerk due to beating of heart that can be felt in the superficial arteries. You can feel it on your wrist. Normal pulse rate is 72 times per minute. Then what is blood pressure? The force of blood against the walls of blood vessel is known as blood pressure. Normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg, means millimeter of mercury. And if this blood pressure exceeds above 140 by 90 mmHg, that condition is called hypertension. The instrument that is used to measure blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. This is the instrument, sphygmomanometer, which is used to measure the blood pressure. Hope you all have enjoyed this video and understood the circulation of blood. So don't forget to click on the link given below in the description box. Thank you.